Next is the types of combustion. Depending on the condition under which a combustion takes place, it is classified as follows. First one is the rapid combustion. So the process in which a substance combines chemically with the oxygen at a temperature above its ignition temperature with the evolution of a large amount of heat and light in a short time is called rapid combustion or a burning. So rapid combustion means those process in which a fire will get easily. For example, burning of the hydrocarbon fuel, LPG, kerosene or the petrol. In this rapid combustion, the combustion will occur very fast. For example, combustion of carbon, combustion of hydrocarbon or the combustion of magnesium. What will happen when a carbon will combine with oxygen? Fastly carbon dioxide will form and a lot amount of heat and light is given out. Similar in the case with the methane. Methane is a type of hydrocarbon, formula CH4. When it burn with the oxygen, it will also form the carbon dioxide and water vapor and lot amount of heat and light. And similar way in the magnesium, when burn with oxygen, it will burn with the white dazzling light, that is form a white powder magnesium oxide and a lot amount of heat and light. So those process in which a substance burn easily in the presence of oxygen and give us heat and light, that process is known as rapid combustion. Next is the slow combustion, and those reaction in which no light is produced, that is called slow combustion. For example, digestion of food and oxidation of yellow phosphorus at a room temperature. This is the slow combustion in which no heat and light is produced. Next is incomplete combustion. The combustion reaction which takes place in the presence of insufficient quantity of air, that is amount of the oxygen is less. As the amount of oxygen is less, when carbon combine with oxygen, it will not form carbon dioxide but it will form carbon monoxide because amount of oxygen is less. And in complete combustion, as now the oxygen is in the complete amount, that is full amount present of the oxygen, so when the carbon combine, it will form carbon dioxide. This is the difference between incomplete and complete combustion. In the complete combustion, it will form the carbon dioxide, and in incomplete combustion, it will form the carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide is the deadly poisonous gas. It can harm us and causes the waste of energy and hazardous too. But in the complete combustion, carbon dioxide and this gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect. So this is the difference between complete and the incomplete combustion. Clear?